Hey guys! Today I'll be doing a very simple makeup look inspired by the color of sunset. Starting off with a clean face, use any type of foundation with medium coverage that evens out and brightens up your skin tone. Lock that foundation into place with a translucent setting powder. Using a natural contour shade, slightly blended right below the cheekbones. Then, apply a peach shade blush with a light sheen onto the apples of your cheek in a circular motion to create that youthful look. Pick an eyebrow pencil that matches your hair color and apply it following the natural shape of your eyebrows. Use an eyeshadow brush to apply a peachy orange shade onto the eyelids. Use a dark purple as an eyeliner shade. Pick up a metallic peachy champagne shade and directly apply it onto the inner corners as well as the center of your eyelids. And apply the same purple shade that we used before onto the lower lash line to deepen up the eyes. Then curl your lashes and put on some mascara. The final step is to color your lips using a dusty orange lip color. I hope you like this makeup look, and I'll see you guys on my next video.